बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम वत्तीन वज़्ज़ैतून वतूर सीनीन वहाज़ल बलदिल अमीन लक़द ख़लक़नल इंसान फ़ी अहसनि तक़वीम थुम्मा रददनाहु अस्फ़ल साफ़िलीन इल्लल्लज़ीन आमनू वअमिलुस्सालिहाति फ़लहुम अज्रुन ग़ैरु ममनून फमा युकज़्ज़िबुक बअदु बिद्दीन अलैसल्लाहु बिअहकमिल हाकिमीन सदक़ल्लाहुल अज़ीम।
Jazakallah. So, welcome address. I would like to call Mr. Tariq Hussain, Chairman, Karachi Branch Council and Director of Security Exchange Commission of Pakistan, very active person. Please welcome Mr. Tariq Hussain.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dr. Mirza Ikhtiyar Beg, Federal Advisor on Textile, Ministry of Textile Industry, Chairman and CEO Beg Group of Industries, Dr. Shahid Hassan Siddiqui, prominent economist, Engineer Atul Jabbar, Chief Executive, Qaim Automotive Private Limited, Mr. Abid M. Anwar, fellow member of this institute, members of the branch council, executive director ICMAP, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. It is indeed an honor and pleasure for me to welcome you all at this seminar on a roadmap to economic revival. As you are aware of the fact that Pakistan came into existence more than 63 years ago, but we are still grappling with a dismal literacy rate of 37%. About half of our population living below the poverty line, and the exchange rate disparity has increased by 40% from 2008, which has affected aggregate import across the border. The current rate of economic growth is so slow that it cannot sustain a population growth rate of 2.3%. The lower literacy rate and poor health facilities are also limiting productivity to a great extent, thus prospects of economic growth and poverty reduction. There is a deep drop in foreign direct investment. The foreign debt rose from 40 billion in 1999 to 46 billion in 2008 and 53 billion US dollar in 2010. The high debt burden is eating into the vital of our economy. The lack of business confidence had decelerated investment rate, and unfocused public activity has taken a serious toll for development activities. The government reducing the development budget to cover up revenue shortfalls has also further compounded the problem. On a social plan, the poor in Pakistan continue to suffer from inadequate access to the legal system and the failure of government in ensuring the rule of law. My warm welcome goes to Dr. Ikhtiyar Beg, Federal Advisor on Textile, Ministry of Textile Industry, Chairman and CEO Beg Group of Industries, Chief Guest of today's session, who in spite of his very busy schedule accepted our invitation to preside this very important event. Many thanks and welcome goes to the speakers. Without them, a seminar like this cannot be successful one. Dr. Shahidul Siddiqui, prominent speaker. Engineer Atul Jabbar, Chief Executive, Kind Automotive Private Limited. Mr. Abid Ahmed Anwar, FCMA. I also welcome the sponsors of this event, Messrs. New Jubilee Insurance Limited, for their support and participation as a main sponsor. A special thanks to the electronic and print media and their representative for providing their support for the success of this seminar. Last but not least, I welcome to all guests and participants. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Tariq sir. Ladies and gentlemen, today's topic is nowadays a very hot burning topic, a roadmap to economic revival. Now we are badly in crunch, financial crunch, कहीं शुगर का crisis है, कहीं power का crisis है, and it's a very good fortune for us. We have one federal advisor with us, Dr. Ikhtiyar Beg Saab. It's a great honor for Institute of Cost and Management Accountant. He's a great personality with us. I will give you some brief about Dr. Saab. Otherwise, if I give you in detail, the seminar will be ended. Dr. Mirza Ikhtiyar Beg Saab, Federal Advisor of Textiles, Government of Pakistan, is a renowned industrialist. He was conferred prestigious civil and award Tamgha Imtiaz by the President of Pakistan in recognition of his contribution to the national economy. Beside of this written statement, मैं एक बात शेयर करना चाहूँगा कि डॉक्टर साहब ने आज से 1 या 2 रोज़ पहले एक चैनल के साथ एक प्रोग्राम किया जिसमें इसका मौजू था कि पाकिस्तान की इकोनॉमी को चलाने के लिए डेट्स की ज़रूरत है या बाहर से IMF से या बोरिंग की ज़रूरत है या नहीं। इनके अगेंस्ट एक फेमस पर्सनैलिटी टीवी के एक मशहूर एंकर अनील क़ैमत साहब थे जिन्होंने उनके अगेंस्ट बोला, और आप सब ने जितने टीवी पे प्रोग्राम देखे होंगे कि एंटी गवर्नमेंट पे पब्लिक भी बहुत ज़्यादा सपोर्ट कर रही होती है, लेकिन डॉक्टर साहब ने जिस तरह अपने पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू को पेश किया, एवरीबडी इन फेवर ऑफ इट एट द एंड। सो आई वुड रिक्वेस्ट मिर्जा इख्तियार भाई साहब to share his views with us. Please welcome Mr. Ikhtiar Beg Saab.
Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim.